Dive in there. Look, oh my gosh, do you see that cheese coming out? I'm gonna pick it up so you guys can see it. And look at that. Look at the cheese. Today I am going to be making Spam and cheese egg rolls. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. All right, so first thing you're going to need some egg roll wrap, okay? You're going to need some Spam. I got this Spam right here. All right, you're also going to need some cheese and a little bit of water and cooking spray. All right, so let's get started. So I have a block of Spam right here, and I'm just going to cut it. Fresh Spam, and then I'm going to cut it like this, and then I'm going to cut it like this. All right, so I have some fresh Spam cut, and I am going to take my wrapper. All right, I'm going to take my wrapper, move that Spam around, place the wrapper right there, and then I'm going to put some Spam in the center, just a couple of pieces. You don't want to overstuff the egg roll. That would be not good, okay? So I got some Spam there, and then I'm going to put some sharp cheddar cheese. Look at it, sharp. Doesn't look sharp? I'm going to take the sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm going to place it on top. Cheese makes it so good, all right? So I have that, and then I'm going to take the edges, put it all together like that, take the edges, bring it over, and bring the corners like this towards the center that overlap. And once they overlap, tuck it. You're going to have to tuck, all right? And then I'm going to take a little bit of water and just run it along the edges, and that water is actually going to help seal it or act as a glue with the wrapper, okay? And then I'm gonna roll it again. Make sure you tuck, all right? Tuck. And then I'm gonna take some water, roll it along the edges a little bit. Tuck. You're gonna have to tuck. And roll it again. And once you get towards the edge, you are going to have to take some water and go along the edges like that, all right? And remember, tuck and roll, all right? And once it's rolled, you have the water on the edges, it's gonna stick a little bit, all right? And just hold it and press it down for a couple of seconds. All right, you do that, and you're gonna spray the egg roll, all right? Right here I have some coconut oil cooking spray made by Pam, and I'm just gonna spray it, all right? So I sprayed it, and then I am going to put it in the air fryer. Okay, I'm just gonna place it down there, the flap side up, and put it in the air fryer. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer, right? Put it in the air fryer, close it. All right, make the temperature to 400 degrees and set it for about 9 minutes. After 9 minutes in the air fryer, the Spam and cheese egg roll is done. Now look at it. It's golden in color. Or you can see it's golden. And I'm just take my tongs and bring it out and put it on the plate, okay? I want to get a closer look at it. So I'm going to bring it a little bit closer so you all can see. All right, look at it. Look how good it looks, golden brown. I figured out 9 minutes is the perfect time at 400 degrees in the air fryer. All right, look at it. All right, so let's break it open. So I'm gonna take my knife and fork, dive in there. Look, oh my gosh, do you see that cheese coming out? I'm gonna pick it up so you guys can see it. Now look at that. Look at the cheese. There you have it, folks. Spam and cheese egg roll. Goodness. Absolute goodness, if you ask me.